How to add a vehicle to your Geico policy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can add a vehicle to your Geico policy. You can do this on the Geico mobile app or on the web browser. If you're on the mobile app, first of all, launch the application and then sign into your account. For that, you will have to enter your mobile number over here. Once you have entered your mobile number, tap on I accept the conditions and tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to sign into your account. If you're on the web browser, head over to geico.com and make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on Add or Replace Vehicle page. Now you will have to answer some of the questions. The first question is if you are adding one vehicle or multiple vehicles. Now we want to select the vehicle type. If you are using a private passenger vehicle, select that for your own personal use. Then from the drop-down menu, select different type of vehicles such as motorcycle, trailer, mobile home, boat, snowmobile. So select your vehicle type. Once you have selected the vehicle type, next you want to enter the VIN. VIN is the vehicle identification number, which is a unique code assigned to each vehicle when manufactured and provides information about your specific vehicle, such as its make, model, and year. Once you have entered the VIN, next you want to enter if the vehicle is owned, financed, or leased. Then select if you want the new vehicle to replace a vehicle on your policy. Now, if you're replacing a vehicle, you want to add if the plates have been surrendered or transferred. Now enter information such as primary use, primary driver, annual mileage, and matching drivers to vehicles. After that, you want to review your quote and apply your changes or save the quote for later. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.